Good afternoon, students. Today we will continue with our second chapter, and in our previous class we have learned about viewing files and folders and searching various files and folders, and today we will continue with working with the control panel. Control panel is a system folder which we can using which we can make changes in the appearance and current setting of the windows. So control panel help in making change in the computer, and these changes may include appearance and personalization of the desktop, hardware and software setup and configuration, system and security, networking and internet, user accounts and family safety, and setting clock, language and region. The setting control nearly everything regarding Windows appearance, internal settings, personalization. They allow you to set up Windows the way you want. Okay? So students, there are various ways to open control panel. I am showing you the one in which you can click on the search box and type control panel. Okay, now you can see here control panel is written. I will click on that and this window will open. Okay, there are many options in that: secure system and security, network and internet, hardware and sound, program, user account, appearance and personalization, clock, language and region, and ease of access. All the things does different function. Okay, so I will tell you how you can change time and date. Okay, first click on this option, clock, language and region. Okay, now you will get three options: date and time, language and region. So under date and time there are three options: set the time and date, change the time zone, add clock for different time zone. So what we will do, we will click on set the date and time. So this dialog box will appear and you have to change date and time accordingly as per your time zone. Okay, so here it is 29 June Monday and time is 11:39. You can change by clicking change date and time, and another box will appear and you can change date and time accordingly. Okay, after selecting date and time we will go back and click on the option appearance and personalization. Here various options are there and we will select fonts. There are plenty of fonts which we can choose according to our need and want. First we have to delete the previous one and we will select whichever font we like. So we will end our chapter here, and I hope you understand each and everything, and feel free to ask any question if you have. Okay students, till then take care.